Alright guys, so today is another special video. In the box in front of me we have the Yeezy Cinder colorway. Now it's different because in my last video I recommended buying off of GOAT or StockX. I actually got these off Mercari, the selling app, and I talked to the buyer beforehand and he actually shipped these in the Adidas box that they send you. So we're going to unbox it, and the cool thing with Mercari is that you have 3 days to rate the seller before the transaction is complete. So if these were fake, I could totally just be like, nope, they're fake, and send them back. So it's totally guaranteed. So let's just get right into the unboxing. Quick update, I have the 380s mist coming in from GOAT on instant ship, so they should be here by Wednesday. So stay tuned for that because that video will be coming up this week as well. So let's just get to it. I have my shoes from the last video over there on the corner. Put this to the side. Okay, so we have the 350 boost, and we have the Cinder men's 10.5 made by Adidas. This all looks authentic to me. After this video I'm gonna go ahead and rate him. Let's look at the shoes. Alright, so here they are. Now these are really awesome. I wanted to get these as more of a casual wear shoe. Yeah, these are definitely authentic. Here we have the different shades of like brown, you could say. So it's definitely not black. These are the non-reflective pair. And here you could see the Adidas Yeezy inside. And then of course we have the tag right here as well. So yeah, these are very nice. Obviously, they're not as exciting as this pair right here. You know, these are more of an accent shoe, but you can't wear that with everything. This can be more worn with any kind of outfit. So definitely like this shoe. Quality's nice. These are authentic. I mean, you can just tell in the feel of the shoe. These aren't fake. We can look at the stitching here. Yeah, I got these. He sold them to me for $270. So yeah, quite nice. Let's look at the other shoe here. Other shoe right here. What I really like is just the accent color here on the bottom. Very nice. And then you have Adidas there. And of course, 3 stripes right here. Yeah, these are nice. I really like them. So if we obviously compare them once again to the other V2s, they weigh the same. Obviously the stitching is different though. So here the stitching is inside, and here the stitching you can see is on the outside. So yeah, that, and this has the tie on the back, and this does not. This is the reflective pair, this is not the reflective pair. You can also see on the soles, this is more of like a gum that you can kind of see through. This is not. And then if we look at the bottoms, you notice that as well. We have the accent color here, where this is more just one solid color on the right hand side on the Desert Sage compared to the Cinders. So yes, the most excited shoe I'm looking forward to though is the mist that's coming in on Wednesday. So stay tuned for that video, you guys. I'm super excited to look at those shoes. But let me know if you guys liked any of these colorways. I know they get kind of boring after a while, but they're still Yeezys. They're still nice shoes. So let me know what you guys think. I will put a video, a real review on the on feet. What do I think? You know, is it worth getting both pairs? Is it worth getting just the black pair, or should you get the other cool color pair that doesn't have the little pull tab on the back? I totally forgot that was one of the differences between the two, is this doesn't have a pull tab. It's more of like a clean look compared to this that does have a pull tab. So thanks for stopping in, and in a few days we'll get the other Yeezys 380s in, so we'll catch you guys next time.